Me turn gay. No call me no mommy, man. A Lord, Dan. Looking at me face, you see any laughing?
Come here.
Chat
Me
too
get
much.
you. Me get you. Come here.
You chat too much. Jape me, I'm going to jape him up. You know, say what go on. You know,
What you
say,
know,
man,
though?
jape him up. You know, say, man, look for me. Today, I know Mama Lor, right? For me, I go on the road. Me and one Dan go buy some grocery in a Caribbean store, you know? I know Mama Lor. So stay tuned, people, for we are going Caribbean store. For today, me I go show no badness. You understand? For me telling say, one be have one money for me from 2020. So me I go on real bad like me I go telling say, call the woman son and say, what me a crown there for me money today, you know. You think what you have for me today, you know. And see how that react. You understand?
What you have on my clothes and for mommy?
I mean wash it down and me put it on. Just drive the car down, man. I'm not in no argument.
So you don't have enough clothes?
I mean wash it down and so drive the car and go along. Oh, you know say I for your clothes me now. Oh, you know.
Mommy, I feel me clothes them there.
For your clothes can't fit me. Just drive the car and go along, yeah, man.
Alright. Go on. So how with this screw face, mommy? Who trouble you?
I just feel like, you know, if I want all ground, oh man, he have a thing for me, so me a grown there for too. Me a grown there for you see, true, me know say me all run off TikTok. Me a grown there for a new woman for me little thing when I from.
Hold on there, you run off her?
And me run off TikTok, you know. You understand? Me run off TikTok, me now come with the bag of this and bag of that. But me know say me running off as a woman, right?
Mommy, you know say a store where I go, right? I saw you just going to people in the store.
What make? See how you me address and go in there.
So what getting at you do, mommy? Me never see you do this.
You know, since I me run off TikTok, man, so me have to just...
So you run off TikTok and that's how you dress, sir?
Yeah. For me, I go for me thing where woman are from 2020 for me too.
What thing? Who have money for you? A money?
Of course, me not tell you. But me want you to drop me around there too. Like how we are pass like Caribbean store, me want you drop me around there too far.
So what you do, mommy?
No, me just I go for me money. Me I go show him how wicked me is, you know?
So you really are going to people in the store, so?
So what do me? Nothing not do me. Nothing not do me, you know?
So you couldn't put on it normal, why you have it sideways?
A gangster style today, you know? Show them say I'm me run TikTok.
But mommy, you know your age about your run TikTok?
Age is just a number. And every time you talk about age. Every time you talk about age is just a number. I told your body feel also. You understand? What age you go, man? Every time you just mention age.
Mommy, you're a big woman, 60 years old.
How you tell me that? You know, so sometimes me not like going on with you down and you chat too much sometimes. Where I go say me are 60 and this and that.
Alright, mommy, but you're a big woman though.
No, but you know, say big looking at town.
But mommy, you never seen a big woman in a man clothes, mommy.
What you say? Go by all pretty down.
But mommy pretty than young.
Then look, you never see so you know go in a town, all in a ghetto.
Convincing no mommy, me I'll take you off the internet, you know, you watch too much YouTube.
Me no business what you want to say, but
Me I'll take away your phone.
You ever see so?
It's a family decision. The kids then come together, we'll take away your phone.
Then look here, what time I used to when we go down high store down so you know if a man or woman or in dress, you know?
Which store?
You know remember when we go down high mall down so go buy stuff them and we see security and afterward me see say a woman. So woman, I just
say... a young woman that you are big.
Young woman, no. Woman, we agree that a woman look like 65.
So that's 65,
why you are... 63, 64. You understand?
So you have to put them up look older than you, so we are 60?
No, I don't say put, but as well as she can young still for over your people then look. You understand? But a big woman, you can't see it. You know, see her in dress. All when we go in a place when you go change the oil for your vehicle. You don't know if a woman or a man. I advise. Make we know say a woman. Advice. You know, see how in dress.
So that's why you start dressing a woman?
Yeah. Just feel like, you know, sure people say I may run things on TikTok. And a Rose or Annie. How are you doing rotted boy? Why am I have to tap the vehicle for? How are you doing? Then you know see like them I work on the road. One if I sun strike him, I can tell if you go fast there. Look how much vehicle. I really do them boy they know me. Look how I run around him, I go tell you if he come through. Sure.
So relaxing and you see no moment where you're going, so.
Then me just feel like you ever feel sure.
How you feel? You feel all?
Oh, feel all. Me just feel like say me a gangster.
You not even can say the word.
Me no business. Me just feel like shot at today. You know what? So me want me money when me feel me take me. You should have known too. You grown at that woman if me $400 man.
You look uncomfortable in your seat, though, woman.
So a man want their money, man. And my money me want and when me near.
Alright, mommy, me not even know where me carry. Me go to a store, just a Caribbean store.
So you know drop me around there for if me grown there and get the $400 now. Me no buy more stuff. Me I buy little extra, you know, me have my money to buy me stuff, but me I buy little extra if me get the $400 there. Or if me I go spend.
But which part, mommy?
Then when you go out there, so or me could have call her, change up my voice and call her and she don't know see me. And me I go say,
you have her number?
yes.
You have your phone on you?
Me have my phone for me. Me have her number.
So you want to call from my phone then call?
Yeah, like how she have my number, me I go call from for your phone, you understand? But if me call from for my phone now, she a go make out see me, but when me call from this a phone, you know?
So guys, me there say me do a vlog and this how man come out in a this clothes. And we pull up at the Caribbean store in Orlando, Florida. See it there up there, so. So no things me and her if we go in at the store together when she just like suppose people who watch YouTube see her.
Then what about that? I don't know. Me not have on any clothes on. You know easy.
But my clothes you have on, mommy?
Them are going to say for your clothes. How me look?
Guys, but we'll go outside and see how Mama Laura really look. And I don't know what's wrong with this woman.
Everything will be bother you now, bother you. I know nothing. Everything you all have, me no joke, you know. Today I Lord there.
I know Mama Laura.
No, Lord.
Mommy, wait till I can I'm go shopping. I soon come.
What?
I don't want you come back and me look so. I don't want you come back and me look so.
How me look?
You know so you are wear?
Me turn gay.
What you say?
Turn gay.
Yeah, gay? So you tell my father, sir?
Oh, tell your father, so you know, see how the world I move.
So you move with the world?
Yeah.
So you say you have a girlfriend? What's your girlfriend name?
Come on, man, I don't know bother with the answers. You like the church argument, church argument. Come on, man.
People, just comment down below. What am I do with Mama Lord?
Hey, you out one card. You out one card for me.
You have to give them dollar.
We don't have no silver.
Go up there so I get dollar. Okay, guys. All the security say we're not allowed to video in the store. I'm gonna speak to a manager. And the manager say it's okay. How much followers them hotel one done now? I know I can't find my mother. You understand? Where my mother there? Ah, my mother oppressor. Guys, I don't know what I'm going, you see me, but this is a vlog. I don't know what I get into my mother today.
Yeah, me have to take up some natural stuff, you know. People, when you're there for, you know, Miss Jamaican, see the natural lime them here, and me take up one dozen, you know, to wash off my meat for, me not too like vinegar, you know. Me I deal with the natural thing.
So you really come to people in store with this?
What you mean? See all jackfruit, yeah, you don't like me have to go start import jackfruit. Jackfruit, you see them? Cane. Yes, I could I take up one of them here to sometime. Yeah, chill out. I like.
How are them there?
No apple. Take it up.
No, you would have wanted moment, I don't know.
Sometimes when you chill out, you just wash off one and go and eat, you know. Yeah, see the real season, yeah. Hard purpose, I want the chicken one.
People don't know what my mother going with, you know.
Yes, you have to take up the real season for seasoning chicken. And, you know, see me have my lime, yeah. Yes, follow me out.
Can't mother with my mother, you know.
Yeah,
So like how you say, alright, you're a lawyer now. You're my mother and my father.
both you know, it was them in a one. And we are going to buy some cow food, so we have to have it. So we have to take up grace. Yeah. Yeah, shop till me job today, yeah, youth.
You have money?
Yeah, me have me dirty money, yes. Me shop and look at the price, you know.
So mommy, why you walk different?
And me just feel like me a man today. Gaza, you know.
What you say?
Gaza.
A Gaza?
Yeah.
Why, I love it chain around your neck though.
How much rice me take up the other day?
I don't know what I'm going with my mother. I don't really know what I'm going with her. But I just go with it.
Yes, people. Me I do some shopping, you know. Just feel like a man today, you see? Parboiled rice. Sometimes you can't eat up the whole heap of white rice, you know.
So white rice you buy around?
Sometimes you can't eat up the whole heap of starchy white rice. You know them way there? Rice. Hey people, sending credit to one loved one a yard. Just checked in. And when we get more information from my son, see?
I don't know what pill she take today. Basically what mommy has said, if you want to send some credit on Jamaica, whether you're in England, America, Canada, wherever you are, download the Ding app when you can send credit. And use my code ONEDAN25 and you get 50% off your first time using Ding. It have to be your first time, so download the app. Use my code ONEDAN25. Anywhere you're there in the world, anywhere. Send some of your family members, some good friends, some credit to Jamaica, man. You see me? You understand? Tap up them phone. You can send $10 worth of credit, $5 worth of credit. Just use my code to get 50% off, 1 than 25, right? Tell them, mommy, now that you use.
1 than 25, I want to get 50% off. So you just do what you have to do that so you can send credit to your loved one and you talk till you drop. Oh? Esau?
I don't pay my mother much mind to them. I don't know what I go on with her. You see me?
Where's the flour?
Hey, Chris!
What you kiss your teeth for? What we do to you?
So like them here, they are so cheap, you know that. You save. So what you do? Go put back them here.
Yeah, run the show now, mommy.
Yeah, it's one some cow foot and some kidney. You know? What you know look like a cow foot and chop up? Cut up.
Where you go, mommy? You not talk to me, where you go? That too, man. Let hear me ask you where you go.
So Danny, me not even two in and not talking today, you know. Tell them so the I want some cow foot, you know.
What go tell them? No cow foot this right, sir.
But me not buy them the whole lot sitting there.
So you go over there so then cut up already?
Yeah. What's your odd purpose? What is your chicken season? Your odd purpose. You take up my odd purpose. But you don't see chicken season. You even take up this with your eyes. You just have video your eyes, so. Huh? Take up the them up on them. You just might make sure tell them say I've been up on me take up that they not charge me too dear, you know, for I just feel like, you understand? Come on, youth.
No, you boss me around, you know. So you look for cow foot and every time you look for cow foot your top. Then you forget where you go.
But in the same time, I want the chicken season, you understand? You know, say I want the chicken season for season. I like the chicken season. Goat liver.
So what you look for now, Laura?
Some cow foot, yes man, and these things me like, you know. When you look about this and put your bean in there, you know, you feel like, you know, stallion. 25.
So mommy, I'm watching and put on too?
What you mean? You know, see, I know mommy, no call me no mommy, man. I Lord Dan.
Lord Dan, you name?
Yeah,
What you name?
Lord Dan. So you just.
Alright. Mommy.
Me no name mommy. Me no name mommy, youth. I know mommy.
Alright, Lord Dan.
Yeah. You don't say no kidney. You look at your see kidney now. Come now, youth.
But where I go?
Make we look for your kidney.
The kidney I go there over the other side of where I come from, mommy. I mean Lordan, sorry. The kidney are there over the other side.
Where? Come now, youth. Sure.
So where you hold up your waist supper?
Don't tap it chatting no man. How you chat so? Me no
Oh yeah, talk to.
Me no too in and no chatting. Just you by your mouth and cool.
Oh yeah, talk to. Mommy, I mean Lordan. When I come into that store, the security said I can't record. And the manager, then I go to the manager and the manager said I'm free to go. What you have to say to the security?
Jape me, I jape him up. You know say what go on. You know
What you
say
know
man, jape him up. You know say man look for me, find out, told me a screw to. You know say man look for me. Me have to say hey boy, but me just hold me peace. You know. For,
I look like you come out with the fire today.
yes,
You know?
for you know say man look for me.
So what you have in your bag there? In my bag.
Not say
Mommy, what you have
nothing.
in your bag? I mean Lordan, what you have in your bag?
Not say nothing.
You see almost trip.
Look if I write milk them here, no? You just see now smiling. Come now, youth. And then I write one.
I look like from you put on them clothes that you don't know what you want in a life.
That's how you believe.
I don't say it's good at you know. Where you go so you're not even look, you just a walk. You know what?
Remember say I know this has storm road all come in and need a little one, you know. So which part you killing it? Come now man and focus on what you do. Yes. Yeah, just when me cook up this kidney and with some pepper and thing. You understand? Kidney. Cow foot, kidney, cow foot and what again. Want some mackerel there.
What you want?
The mackerel and milk and flour. Looking at me face, you see any laughing? No laughing. No skin.
Where you look for now, Lordan?
I don't know, this is a record people too. Don't
Come here.
Chat
Me
too
get
much.
you, come here.
You chat too much.
You hear that? Guys, we know her.
She a Jamaican. She chat a little bit too much though, you know? And I got just jape her bumbo, but we
Where
just,
you- Come here, man. Mommy, you can buy more than them here, please.
yes, you take up anything you want today.
What you say?
Take up anything you want today, youth.
You pay for?
Yeah, Lord than today. See? Lord than today. Anything you want. Lord than today. Anything you want. See? What you say? Put it in our basket and come. Okay?
Mommy, anything?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Me can get two things?
Yeah.
Alright. I think they sell sofa and bed in here.
What?
Bed and settee and sofa and couch.
You know that, you know, a food me, you know.
So you not say anything more?
Where flour there? Where flour?
I kind of like that Lordan here, you know.
Where flour there?
Where you are?
Flour and sugar and bread. Bop. All of the youth, them big up to yourself in a ghetto and everywhere and on TikTok. I Lord and today, see? So when you just big up on yourself in a ghetto and everywhere, just big up Lord and for me, I want to a part today, okay? Isa! Dear me, I'm just like that, but so saying rate you still, you know? Oh, yeah?
So you rate me?
Mm-hmm.
You rate me too?
Mm-hmm.
So I go on.
Yes, people, we have a cash out here now, you know? Lord Don. I don't know.
Oh,
I wonder what this is.
I look for you.
Mm.
Oh, you don't know your badness.
You don't look so. Yes, people, we in a Caribbean store and we have a cash out now and live out, you know?
So I make it 24 hours with my mother or my father. I don't know what I'm going with mommy.
I know, mommy, you know, you must see a Lord Don today.
Alright, I make it 24 hours with Lord on today. Okay.
So, people, you know,
So me and you related?
yeah,
So you're more mother or father?
father today.
Okay guys, so today I have two father.
Yeah, father today.
So tomorrow you have
Mother.
bless up on yourself and subscribe, like, share that video.
Yes, people, rolling. Big up.
Blessings people.
Forget what they doing, keep on.